Let's first log in. When we log in, we will see two tabs, a self-service tab and an account and favorites tab. The self-service is organized in orders, tool management, and fleet management. All of those could be self-service requests. For example, if I'd like to know where is my order that was placed recently, I could go to my orders. I could go to MRMF demo testing, for example. I could click on track shipment and I would know is out for delivery. If I'd like to know where is my repair, I could click on repair tracking. I could track the repair and I would know where it is based on T-Rex. And if I go to fleet management, I click on return tools. I would know which tools need to be returned given those are already expired. Now, if I'd like to place an order, one of my best ways to do it is to go to favorites. Here, you could actually create favorite list based on projects, for example, which is what I did here, 2 different projects, where I could make distinction on what are the items that only this project requires. Okay, so that's one. I could go back. That's the other one. And the benefit of that is, if for example I'm not around, I could actually make that list available to all the users within my company. I just copied it and now it's available to everybody in my company. And if I need to place an order, select, add to cart, and the rest is straightforward.